All right, fellas, we are finally done with this bad boy here. Overall, I don't think it's too bad for my first one. I still have to work on my painting. I'm getting better. Getting better every time here. Managed to get rid of the seam line, which worked out pretty good. Here's the front. Here's the side. Yeah, overall I'm pretty happy. One thing is, I don't know if it was missing from the kit or I lost it, but the bracket, this whole bracket piece is missing, so I'm not sure what happened to it. So I probably won't be entering this one in a contest. Maybe I'll see if I can order it and get it and get it replaced. But let me see, let me move my handlebars here. Here's our gauges and everything in there. Turned out pretty good. Like I said, I did a fairly decent job of getting rid of the seam on the tank. Just got a lot of dust on this. I gotta clean it off a little better than this anyways, but yeah, overall I was pretty happy with this build. So yeah, I think we're gonna call it good here, folks. So if you enjoyed this build series, make sure you give me a like, and if you're not already a subscriber to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so that way you can be notified when I post the next build series. Thanks again for watching, everybody.